exposing the secret life of bees. You won't believe what these little creatures can do. Bees are not just about the buzz. They play a crucial role in pollinating 75% of the world's flowering plants. And get this, there are over 20,000 species of bees. The honeybee is the star of the show. These busy bees communicate through a dance called the waggle dance. It's their way of sharing the best spots for nectar. And did you know that a single bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers in one day? Talk about work ethic. Plus, without bees, our favorite fruits and veggies wouldn't exist. So next time you see a bee, give it a little thank you. It's working hard to keep our planet beautiful. If you enjoyed these bee-tastic facts, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing nature content. See you in the next video.